Are you spending endless hours preparing course materials? What if you had a smarter way to create high-quality, engaging content with ease? Introducing the Curriculum Content Recommender, your intelligent teaching assistant. Start with secure login and personalized access to tailored features, ensuring your content and preferences are protected. Enter a detailed query for personalized recommendations. The system guides you with clarifying questions, ensuring precise content tailored to your course needs. Quickly compile your recommendations into a ready-to-use PDF, saving time and boosting efficiency. Retrieve the latest academic research with a simple query, ensuring your content is always current and relevant. Turn academic articles into well-structured, easy-to-read lecture notes that highlight key teaching points, saving you from hours of manual summarization. Customize the content to suit your teaching style and instantly download the notes as a polished PDF ready for classroom use or sharing with students. Transform traditional notes into storytelling-based materials that present concepts through engaging narratives, challenges, and discovery elements. Create a dynamic learning experience that captures students' imagination, making complex topics easier to understand and more memorable. Seamlessly convert these interactive notes into a polished PDF for easy sharing and continued engagement. Access your content history anytime, enabling continuity and better content management. Whether developing a new course or enhancing an existing one, let the Curriculum Content Recommender free up your time so you can focus on teaching excellence. Say goodbye to manual content creation and let AI do the heavy lifting.